Hi, welcome to the tutorial of gas software. This time the topic is new connection. So we go to option data entry, option new connection, and in new connection there are various connections like SBC, TBC, additional, commercial, 5 kg, 19 kg, TV in, Ujjwala loan, name change. So this time we will be taking new connection SBC. So we select SBC option 1 and say click. The form comes up on the screen for SBC. You click new button and start entering the data. The date comes up automatically, so also the bill number. You have to put the connection number, you have to put the SV number, customer name, mobile number. These details like 14 kg cylinder, quantity 1, deposit 1500, go down, stamp duty, this comes automatically. Stamp duty is not applicable on all the states. In some of the states it would be 0, and how to put it, how to make it 0 by default is shown in another tutorial where you create the masters for connection type. Please refer the masters for connection type where you will be able to see how to make stamp duty 0 or some other figure by default. Then we go to regulator and we can also enter the regulator serial number. This will appear in the invoice. Quantity here has already come here, deposit 150 has come here. Go down is shop. That these are the charges, various service charges which are levied at the time of new connection. Installation of connection 118 rupees, administrative 88.50, blue book charges 59. In case if some charges are not there, say for example if administrative charges is not been charged by some of the distributors or by the company, then you can delete this particular item by going to selecting that particular item and deleting, delete option, delete record. Sure to remove, yes. Now here on you also the refill item has already appeared along with the price and all details. Rubber tube also is a mandatory item as far as new connection is concerned. That has also appeared here along with the quantity, price, etc. Now if you want to add other items like say for example gas stove, trolley, lighter, these are the items normally sold to person who has to a subscriber of new connection, then you can add these items by clicking this add items button. You have an option of all these items where you can tick those items which you have sold to your customer and click add items button over here. All these items will be added one after another and the total builds up over here. You can choose the delivery man and click save. It asks for confirmation, you say yes. The record is saved. Thereafter another window pops up for printing of the cash memo. Cash memo needs to be given to the customer, so you say yes, and the record is saved, and you will find that gradually the printing takes place of the cash memo. Here the printing, you can print it by clicking the print button and selecting the appropriate printer which is network to your PC. However, prior to that we will see what the cash memo looks like. The cash memo is on an A4 size paper. Two cash memos are printed on top and bottom. One is the customer copy, another is the office copy. On the left hand side it is the logo of the company, National Gas Service, name of the gas agency, and address. You have the name of the customer, consumer number, SV number, cash memo number, the date, all the items appearing one after another. The HSN number will appear in this column, provided if you put those HSN number in the item master. Quantity appears in this column, then the rate is appearing for all the items, that is for all the products, the MRP and discount if any. Here the amount which is there, cylinder deposit, regulator deposit, installation of connection, blue book charge, these amounts are there. If you see the first two items 1450 and 150, there is no GST because they are not sale items, they are just deposit collected. Thereafter, installation of connection, blue book charge are service charges which attracts GST at the rate of 18%, 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So also most of the items they attract 9% and refill attracts 5%, that is 2.25 CGST and SGST. So all these GST added to this particular value is appearing in the total, in this column of total amount, and here if you add all the total you get the grand total and the amount in words. Now customer copy and office copy, you have to tear it over here, give it to the customer and retain the office copy by obtaining his acknowledgement and signature. You can also mail this particular invoice, like you can mail all the reports. Here I am mailing it. You have choice of PDF, Excel, image, JPG. I am going for PDF. I have said OK. The mail is already sent. You can check in your inbox, you will find the mail. Similarly, if you want to print this particular invoice, click the print button and you can print this invoice. Well, that's all in this particular tutorial of new connection SBC. Thanks for giving your time.